Hey, it is Wednesday, July 16th, and we've had our first little hiccup with all the people in our group. I had a little hiccup earlier on in my trading before anyone else joined. First of all, yesterday there was CPI red folder event that came out, so they didn't trade, and it went pretty crazy yesterday. I was looking at the gold chart. But today, it looks like they had a losing trade. First time in our group, second time for me. But what I like that they do is they turn around and put another trade in and make the money back there. So not that large of a gain, but this actually was a buy that went south on them. So it was 55.46. They took out a sell trade on that and made 65.76. So the net gain was $10 for me. But so this was a 1.5% negative, and this was a 1.8% gain. So it was basically a positive day of 0.3%. So that was the hard line on that one. That was rough to see when I clicked on that. I'm just glad I didn't click on it in between these two trades, between 8:45 and 8:52. I just saw the negative and went, what? But I clicked on it after. So they might even have another trade during the day today. I don't know. Last time they didn't, and I'll just show you that real quick. So my trade history, they did have a negative day when I first started. They had a good day, and then they hit a negative trade, and then but came out 58.65 over that. So it was a 20-cent increase on that, $20 increase on that. Today was only a $10 increase. So this was our worst trading day to date. But we still made some money. I made $10 on that one. So I can't complain about a positive day. So far, all positive days. So that's the hard reality there. So expect a little tiny bump in your in your balance. So let me look at my son's account, and so he made like $2 today, and so I put that in there, $1.60 or 167.29 now, and it bumped it up like 0.22%. So the net gain today was 0.22 instead of 0.3. But anyway, that's our 2 days of trading so far, but they didn't trade yesterday. And I was all excited and everything for that first Monday trade. I was like, yes, but of course they knew that there was CPI coming, so they knew they weren't going to trade today probably. So they had a nice big trade yesterday or Monday, but bummer. So we got tomorrow. We're crossing our fingers. Tomorrow's a good 1.5% day or something like that. Get us around 4%. But we can always hope for that. Okay, so that is our quick update for today. I didn't check to see if we have any new. I just checked, and yeah, we don't have any new people on there. But there you go. That's our big trade for Wednesday. Cross our fingers for Thursday to have a big one. All right, we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.